Well, the types of compensation that's available to you in a premises liability claim are the same types of compensation from a motor vehicle accident or a motorcycle claim. You can have your medical bills paid. You can also have future medical bills paid. So if your injuries aren't going to heal or you're permanently disabled, you can be compensated for that future care and treatment that you're going to require. You can be compensated for your lost wages for when you're unable to work while you're recovering from your injuries. Also, if your injuries are so severe that you can no longer work, you're entitled to future lost wages that you would have made had you not been injured in the collision. You're entitled to pain and suffering. That's during the time that you're recovering from your injuries, and also if your injuries are so bad that you're going to be experiencing pain and discomfort for years or perhaps the rest of your life, you're entitled to be compensated for that pain and suffering as well. You can be compensated for incidental expenses. Often people who are severely injured have to make accommodations to their house, and you can be compensated for that. Also, you can be compensated if you're unable to perform some household duties or lawn care and you're required to pay someone to mow your lawn for you or clean your house or drive you places. You're entitled to damages for emotional distress and post-traumatic stress disorder and depression. It's important to see a psychiatrist or psychologist to document that, but it's very common for folks to experience those kinds of emotional damages, and they are compensable under Indiana law. You can be compensated for the loss of your enjoyment of life. If you can no longer do hobbies that you enjoy, then you can be compensated for that. If you can't socialize with your friends the way you did, that's compensable under Indiana law. Also, if you've got disfigurement or scarring from your injuries, that's compensable as well. Finally, your spouse has a claim for loss of consortium. That means that if you are injured and are no longer the spouse that your spouse married and can't help around the house or do the things that you like to do, your spouse can be compensated for that loss as well. At Tabor Law Firm, we're committed to fully getting all the compensation that you deserve. Give us a call at 317-236-9000 or visit our website, www.taborlawfirm.com.